Hello, I'm Rhiannon. My role at Duncan Lewis is as a caseworker in the public legal team. We work with asylum seekers, victims of trafficking, and work on many false imprisonment matters. So I went to university, I went to Oxford Brookes and studied English literature as my undergraduate degree. And then I did a master's at Oxford Brookes as well in humanitarian action and peace building. Then after that, I went to work for Hestia on their modern slavery response team. When I was working at Hestia, obviously my clients always I'd help them get legal representation if they didn't have any, because they needed help with their trafficking matters and often their asylum as well. So one of the solicitors actually that worked here, he was at a different firm at the time, and one of my clients was really vulnerable, and because he was a male solicitor, she's female, she always wanted her advocate to be there at the legal appointments. So I used to go with her and sit in all the solicitor meetings, and then I just became really inspired by what this solicitor was doing to help her case. And then so after being with Hestia for 2 years, I realised that I wanted to kind of be that side of the work and make a legal difference to them. I applied for the role at Duncan Lewis as a caseworker, and my supervisor is a specialist in human trafficking. So I started that, but I had already started the solicitor's qualifying examination, so the SQE route, which is quite new. Mainly probably analytical skills and problem solving. So I think that when you have to break down a book and write essays on characters and create arguments for them, I suppose, you do that on a daily basis in law, I feel, because you're creating legal arguments. So your client will come to you and you're trying to prove them to be an asylum seeker and fall into the Refugee Convention or a victim of trafficking, and you do have to use those kind of skills.